Okay. Now we're online again. I had to restart XSplit, but whatever. Yeah, it's the Maker's Corner again. So I bring you people a update of what's been going on. Promised to do a bit of work on the Lego figure. Aha! And here it is. Not that bad, I think. Yeah. Some problems. Midsection's not very well dimensioned, so it actually needed quite a bit of filing to get it to fit. They didn't take in, the model doesn't take into account that it needs to get thinner when it goes up here. It doesn't work when it's such a big form. But otherwise, it's okay for a little toy thing. And the head worked out very nicely, so actually created two. So then one can like paint them or whatever. Let's glue some plastic faces on them. Yeah, so I conclude that's done. What else do we have? Yeah, you're working on this paddler project. Where do I put that down there? Oh, it's getting somewhere. It's the electronics box. It's based on Adafruit. Now that's Circuit Playground there. And then it has a baseboard which is called Cricket. And that is like a robot control board. So you can easily interface these two and have this as the brain box, and then this one can control motors and servos and stuff. But in this case it's only going to be two small electrical motors. So we'll see. I actually tested that the circuitry works. So it's got this kind of battery box. So I got a small blink program running in on the circuit playground. Right, need to put it on. Oh yeah, it blinks a LED. Isn't that fantastic? Now the great thing is that this here is running CircuitPython. So the code is Python. That I think is cool. So programming microcontrollers with Python is a reality. For anybody building these kind of projects in Europe, this ordering Cricket and the Circuit Playground is rather expensive. But I mean, it's one-off things, and the electronics is good quality. I think that it can somewhat justify its price. And anyway, this can be reused. It doesn't have to. When I'm done with this and tested it, then I'll probably disassemble it and use the circuitry somewhere else, or put something cheaper in here if I want to continue using the paddle. Oh, and I still haven't fixed the video feed, secondary video feed, but I have. Let's see, where did I put that stuff? So I have the micro HDMI adapter, and then I have a long HDMI cable, 5 meters. So I should be able to start testing the secondary feed quite soon. For another day. There's been a lot of distractions. House needs some care also. Kids and stuff. So. Well, anyway, one tries to do the best one can. Okay, well, that's the update for now. See you later.